Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today we are going to do a product review. And the product we will be reviewing is this, the Flawless Brow. So if you want to see if this works, then just stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe. All right guys, ignore my dog in the background. He is very spoiled, so ignore my little buddy. All right, guys, so I was out the other day and I saw this and I wanted to see if it's going to work. So it says it has a precision tip to remove hair around the brow and maintain shape. Built-in light lets you see even the finest hairs. And also it's perfectly balanced for ultimate control, okay? So what I'm going to do is pop some batteries in this bad boy, and we are going to get to shaping my eyebrow. All right, guys, so let's open this up. And it's packaged like this. Hold on, my puppy is so spoiled. Hold on, guys. All right, guys, so it's packaged like this. Oh, it gives you a little battery too. Okay, guys, so you pull this out. And it looks like that. Comes with a little battery. I'm going to pop this battery in, slip this back on, and hear that? See the light? So what I am going to do is try to give you a close-up of my eyebrow. Okay, guys, so this is what my eyebrow looks like. Okay. Can you see the fine hairs in there? Okay, guys, so now I have the Flawless pen up and working, and I am just going to see if this bad boy works. There's the hair up in here and around here. So we are going to see what it will do. It got it. It got it. Now look, let me turn this off. So now you see all these hairs up in here. I probably won't go that high, but I do want to, make it look better. So let's see. Can you see? You can hear it grabbing the hair too. Oh yeah. Guys, I bought this with my own money. I am not sponsored by these people. I was out, I saw it. So, y'all know me and deals. See, I'm letting my eyebrows grow in as full as they can, but still with a shape. So, this will help me do a quick grooming on them for the fine hairs. Okay, so now, look. Remember, I want to keep this hair here. And now look. So you see, it did get the hair. So now, guys, I am going to moisturize my eyes, put on my brows, and we're going to see how they look. Yeah, look at that brow. See, it really clamped it up around in there. It really did a good job. And on top with the fine hairs. Forgive my horrible filming, but, you know, it do look good. You see that? So I'm going to do the other one, and then I'll be back. All right, guys. Well, I am done, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Guys, this flawless pen does work. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Go get you one of these flawless brow pens. And I'll talk to you later, guys. Mwah.